Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about Autodesk Inventor, which is the CAD program we're going to be using. And if you recall from when we talked about it in class, CAD stands for Computer Animated Drafting. What we're going to do today, we're going to learn how to open a new file and use the line tool, the circle tool, and the rectangle tool. So to start off, we're going to go up here to our top left where it says New. Alright, looks like a little paper folded with its corner over. Alright, so click New, and we're going to get this file menu that pops up. Out of all the choices we have here, we're going to go to standard.ipt. And .ipt is the extension for part. Alright, so we're going to double click on that. Alright, and it opens up. As you can see, we have our ribbon up here, which gives us all the choices for everything we need to know. This right here is called our browser. This keeps a history of what we do on the program, and this is our drawing area. Alright, and up here is our little view cube, but we're going to talk about that a little later. Up here, like I said, we're going to learn how to use the three tools there. We're going to use line, circle, and rectangle. Alright, they're not very hard to use. It's pretty easy. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to use our line tool. So you're going to click on line, very simple. You're going to click in one spot, move your mouse over, alright, and as you can see on the top above the line, it says 2.402. Oh, just move my mouse. Alright, so 2.409. And it says to the bottom right of the line, 000 degrees. That means right now we have a perfectly straight line. Alright, perfectly horizontal. We're going to click again, and that's going to make our line. Now, if you move your mouse, you're going to see that it keeps extending it. Alright, if we want to click again, we can make another one. But we're not going to do that. There's two ways we can stop it. You can either right-click and hit Done, okay, or if you want a shortcut on your keyboard, hit Escape. Alright, so now we have our line. If you click on it, you can drag and move it where you want. Pretty simple. Alright, now to get rid of the line, we're going to click on it. Okay, and hit delete on your keyboard. Alright, not backspace, delete. Alright. Next thing we're going to do is use the circle tool. Circle is pretty simple, just like the line tool. You're going to click circle. Okay. We're going to go down here. We're going to go down to our center point right here between the x-axis, which is this thick horizontal black line, and our y-axis, which is our thick vertical line. Alright, so we're going to go right down here to the middle. Okay, we're going to click and move our mouse out. Now as you move this mouse forward and back, okay, you can see your line adjust in size. Or your circle will adjust in size. So we're going to click again, alright, and now we have our circle. Now, if you look up here and where it says circle, it's still highlighted in blue, which means it's still activated. We don't want it to be activated anymore, so to exit out of the tool like we did with line, you can either hit right click, or you can either right click and hit escape or done, or you can hit escape on your keyboard. Now to get rid of the circle, just like we did before, we're going to click on the circle and then hit delete on our keyboard. Okay, so now everything up here is clear. There's nothing highlighted in blue except for center point, but we're going to be leaving that alone. Last tool we're going to use is rectangle. Alright, all you do for rectangle is click on it. It turns blue to show it's activated. You click once, move your mouse again. Alright, doesn't matter which way you move it. And click again. Alright, then we have our rectangle. Now you can use the rectangle to draw a rectangle. If you want to try and make a square, you can try and make a square. Alright, whatever you want to do. Just remember, it's going to be activated. It's going to be highlighted in blue until we hit escape or right click and done. Alright, now if we want to get rid of multiple objects, we're going to click, we're going to drag our mouse, alright, click and drag and highlight it. Now they're both highlighted. You can tell that they turned blue. Alright, and same thing we did before, hit delete on your keyboard. Alright, it's pretty simple. So just to review quick for today, to use a line tool, you can click line, click, move your mouse, click again. Alright. When you're done drawing whatever shape you want to do, alright, or whatever you're making with your line, right click and hit done. Okay, to hit circle, you just click on circle, click wherever you want on this drawing area, move your mouse and click again. Alright, to go after we're done with circle, you're going to right click and hit done or escape on your keyboard. And you're going to go up to rectangle. Click once, move your mouse, alright, and then you have your rectangle. To escape, we right click and hit done. Alright, and finally, to get rid of the objects on the screen, you can either click on it and hit delete, or you can click and drag across your screen and hit delete. Alright, so that's it for today. Go back and practice drawing your lines, circles, and rectangles and deleting them. Alright, if you have any questions, play this back or come or raise your hand and I will come over to help you.